How's it going, everybody? This is Mike, Mr. Tiny Timmons, coming to you with another episode of Multi-Section Monday, where every Monday I showcase a particular multi-section home that we have available at Recreational Resort Cottages. And this Monday, you're in for a treat. I'm bringing to you the Platinum Cottages Acadia. The Platinum Cottages Acadia is a 30 feet in width, 66 feet in length, 1,753 square foot multi-section that packs character and pizzazz. And you can see that right here on this large front porch. This is a 5-foot front porch going down the length of the front of the home. It is composite Trex decking. You have cedar posts that are right here, as well as cedar tops on the top of your black railing. And guys, this is amazing with the James Hardy siding and the cedar shutters. All that is giving it a site-built quality look and finish. And I can talk about that all day, but let's go inside and let you see why this home is the next multi-section home that you need to check out. This home is beautiful. Again, it is 1,753 square feet. It is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath. So it is perfect. A lot of people have been wanting a platinum cottage, but have been wanting a split floor plan. A lot of our homes have the porch off the end, and you have to walk in and all of your rooms are towards the back of the house. Now we've answered your comments, we've answered your prayers, and we've come to you with a platinum cottage that is a split floor plan. And you can see right here, it all starts in the living area. With this open concept, you have plenty of space for a sectional, a couch and love seat. You can throw a couple recliners in here. You got beautiful windows right there bringing in the natural light. You have the cottage style front door that offers just enough privacy but still offers the natural light as well. And as you can see here, we've got the built-in entertainment center. We got the southern yellow pine going across the top. We've done the white cabinets with the black bar pools. And of course, you see this beautiful LED electric fireplace that actually puts off heat. We've added shiplap accents on the back wall here. And then we've got the floating shelves with southern yellow pine tops on that as well. So it makes a great space for you to put your TV. And for the big boys out there, or ladies that like those big screens, the 80-inch, 90-inch TVs, we can remove these floating shelves for you, so you got even more room to place that big screen TV. And guys, you follow me right into the kitchen area. As you can see, it's an open concept, so everything is great for entertaining. It's open so everyone can enjoy what is going on in the home without feeling left out. And it starts here, you'll see, with this large island. You've got the beautiful pendant lights coming down. We've got the tower dormer with the restry windows up top, and you also have the tray ceiling stained in southern yellow pine hickory. So that is a color pop for you. To break up some contrast with all the white, you add that, it goes a long way. And you can see here, you can easily sit 3 to 4 people. You've got additional storage on the back side with drawers up top, cabinets down below, and then you have countertop space galore. You can actually see we have under cabinet lighting here in the kitchen. That is standard with Platinum Cottages. We've also added the ceramic tile here for you as well. And we've got stainless steel appliances with the convection oven, smooth top stove there, and we've got the stainless steel farm sink, and we got the detachable sprayer here on that. Again, double windows. You even got a floating shelf above that, guys. Great for decor. And you got your refrigerator tucked in right here to the side. But what is so great, everybody asks, Mr. Tiny, we need a pantry. You need the pantry, we give you the pantry. You got one right here. So we have additional shelves right there. If you wanted to add another shelf or two, you can do that as well. So it closes behind this beautiful southern yellow pine solid door. And then again, we're keeping it an open concept. So what are we doing? Got the dining room right here off of your kitchen. Beautiful pendant light there. You got the sliding glass door right there. So if you were to add an additional deck off of the back of your home, it's a great space to do that. Or if you don't like the sliding glass door, if you want to add a different style of door, we can do that as well. Or we can eliminate the door and add it somewhere else. Totally up to you. But what else have I done for you? Made your laundry room, a beautiful laundry room. But first, you can see this color pop here on this door. I mean, that is awesome, guys. That barn door just rolls out of the way. And look how much space you have in your laundry room. So you got space here for your washing machine, your dryer. You got a prep space here in the middle, a window. Who got a window in their laundry room? You do, if you purchased the Platinum Cottages Acadia. And then look at all this additional space. You got space over here that you can put a deep freeze if you like, additional storage space for those hoarders out there that want to, you get a lot of stuff and you don't want your partner to know about it, just hide it over here to the side. Put it out of the way, out of sight, out of mind. And then guys, we'll come right this way and we'll walk down to the guest end of the home, because I want you to, again, take in this open concept, the beautiful features that you're going to get in the Platinum Cottages Acadia. It is a farmhouse style. You know that is very popular right now. And you know when it comes to farmhouse, nobody does it better than Recreational Resort Cottages. Guys, you know that's a fact. And we're going to start right here with the guest bathroom. You follow me right in here and you'll see this is a great size guest bathroom. We went ahead and added that tile as well from the kitchen. We threw it here in the guest bathroom. Also added a large transom window. We have additional storage space over here to the side with the 3-door linen right there. We have shiplap backsplash on your sink. And behind the sink with the HD laminate countertop and additional storage down below. Now let's go into the guest rooms. Follow me over to the first guest room. You'll see here, plenty of space, plenty of natural light coming in to open up this home. But you've also got the color pop. We kept all these doors throughout the whole home. The stained southern yellow pine. So it makes it great. And you can see right there, you have, again, real wood, shelf and rods in here, guys. We do not cut any corners. You see the inside of these closets are all half-inch sheetrock. No, whatever, I don't even know what you call those fake walls, because we don't do it here at Recreational Resort Cottages. So we're not hiding anything from you. All of this is site-built quality. You follow me through, and we'll go to the second guest room here. And see, again, great size. Easily fitting a full-size, queen-size, or even a king-size bed. Whenever you would like, you can make it happen here in this Platinum Cottages Acadia. Again, you got your closet over here to the side. Still, great size closet there as well. But I know what you came for. I know you came for that master. But what am I going to do? Make you go back through the main living area again so you can see how much character that this home has. And again, this home is 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, 1,753 square feet of farmhouse, top of the line finishes, guys. Now y'all follow me over here to the master and see where this is where the parents are going to come, and they are not going to come out of this room right here. Look at this. This is beautiful, guys. Tray ceiling in your master bedroom. Look at that. That is awesome. And we've added the clerestory windows up top. Not only does that look amazing from the inside, it looks amazing from the outside, giving you that curb appeal that you're going to see on the exterior pictures and video of this home. You've got 2 right here as well. Now keep in mind, for those out there that don't like the additional windows, those can be removed. If you want to take those out, by all means, you can do so. But we've added them in here to add even more character. You have additional 2 windows over here to the side. Over here, you'll see that we have another exterior door, which actually comes out onto your porch that runs all the way down the front of the home. So you can choose to include that option or you can remove that option. Totally up to you. You just let me know and we'll make it happen. And then right here, you see another beautiful barn door that we have that opens into your master closet. And you got all this built-in storage space for shoes, hats, whatever you like. And then you've also got additional shelves and rods going all the way around. But if you're familiar to the channel and you're subscribed, which you better be, then you know how we do it here at Recreational Resort Cottages. You know, with the master bathroom, that's where we go in. So you guys follow me right here. And behind another beautiful barn door that we have, coming to the master bath. And look, guys, this is great. Look at this 72-inch soaker tub with jacuzzi jets. Hey, you don't need a jacuzzi on the outside because you brought it inside. You got it inside, guys, for you to enjoy. Additional shiplap accent floating shelves with a window above your tub. Great finishes there. And then you guys look right over here. We have additional storage as well over here to the side. And then you have the dual sinks. We've added the black finishes throughout the home, so that's a great feature there. Additional storage down below, and I know you can't miss this big shower right here, guys. You see that we've got the tile going all the way around. Don't it make you hungry? Just this Oreo, this black and white we got going on here, looking so beautiful. You know how we do it here. And then the transom window up above, bringing in the natural light. We've got the splash glass right here, so no water's gonna be splashed onto your floor. You got the dual shower heads here. You got the rain shower heads. And then take a look right here. You have dual controls. You can't beat that. So you can have them both going simultaneously or turn one off if you don't want to do that. And then right here, you got your soap dishes for your shampoos and soaps off to the side. This is a gorgeous home that has everything and more that you need. So y'all follow me back through and let me talk to you a little bit more about the Platinum Cottages Acadia. We listen to you guys. We know what you've been wanting. You've been saying, Mr. Tiny, can I get a multi-section from Platinum Cottages with a split floor plan? Can I get it to look more like a stick-built, site-built home? Even though y'all already do, let's add some more features to make it even look more like that. And guys, we've done it. We've answered your questions. We've done it all right here in the Platinum Cottages Acadia. And this home is on sale. I know you want to know the price. It's on sale right now for $170,000. You can't beat that price for what you're getting right here. You guys, this is no comparison to anything on the market right now that you're getting here at Recreational Resort Cottages in the Platinum Cottages Acadia. Just one more time to go over the specs with you. This is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 1,753 square feet. It is 30 feet in width, 66 feet in length, including a 5-foot porch that is running all the way down the front of this home, adding all the character. And again, it's on sale right now for $170,000. And you can get it today. Just give me a call and I'll send it your way. And I want to thank you for tuning in to another Multi-Section Monday with me, Mike, Mr. Tiny Timmons. Remember to like, comment, subscribe to the videos, and I'll see you next Multi-Section Monday.